Do you want to take your online job from virtual to reality, and $37 per hour? Now is your chance if you are looking for a fun and rewarding way to make money from home. Live chat assistants are in huge demand worldwide right now. These are no ordinary jobs, as they involve answering customer questions, providing sales links, and offering discounts, which means a lot of opportunities for growth in this field. The hours will vary each week, so there are always times when it would fit your schedule, even if you already have another job. We don't require any qualifications other than a device that can access business chat functions such as social media and website chat functions like phones, tablets, or laptops. As long as you can follow instructions and work independently, have a reliable internet connection, and work from your country, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. With the introduction of direct messages, TikTok allows businesses to interact more personally with their customers. Be part of an ever-expanding online job market and leverage the power of social media for businesses. Engage in growing demand in the World Wide Web for an engaging work-from-home experience. Plus, businesses everywhere are growing their TikTok accounts, and these jobs are available in your country. Link has description. Go and check there. If you're eager to grow and evolve your skills with this chance, join this digital workforce and work 20 to 40 hours a week remotely with no experience necessary. Just have a TikTok account, a reliable internet connection, and 20+ hours to commit a week. You'll be provided answers to commonly asked questions and the business guidelines to help you out, allowing you to customize your responses and honestly give customers the finest service. Working from home is becoming increasingly popular. With your computer and a little training, you could make some bucks from the comfort of your home. And you can speed up the arrival of your initial paycheck. If you are interested, then check description. If you are one of those eager to start a different stage in their lives and make more bucks while working in your spare time, this job might suit you. With minimal effort and no prior experience, you could gain the same day you apply. Take advantage of this. Grab this and begin right away. Confirm your interest by clicking the button below, and you can see that the first payment will arrive in as little as a couple of days. Are you searching for a job that can be done right away? If so, countless businesses are hiring website chat support agents. No experience is needed, as full training will be provided. As an agent, your duties involve assisting customers with any inquiries they may have through the business's website, such as questions on discount codes and refund policies. Everything you need to help them is supplied in a document that comes with your role. Additionally, a supervisor will be available if ever tricky questions arise. This contract does not have a fixed length and pays $35 per hour for those who work around 5+ hours weekly. The necessary requirements include access to social media and website chats via a laptop or mobile device, the capability of working alone, being able to stick closely to steps and instructions, plus having a dependable internet connection. Are you ready to take up this opportunity? Click the link on description to indicate your interest. Earn money with flexible hours. Are you interested in an opportunity that allows you to make money in your free time? We are now looking for people to help answer customer inquiries on our live chat service, and the best part is you can set your own hours, earn a minimum of $30 an hour, and be paid promptly after you log out. You need basic training to learn the ropes, and you're good to go. We want our remote workers to commit to at least 5 hours per week to make this job a successful and worthwhile venture for both parties. So if you think you have the qualifications and the time to spare, click on description to apply and join our growing team of remote workers. Make $30 per hour with live chat work. Are you curious to find out what online project has resulted in over 100,000 new hires this year? The answer is live chat assistant work. It is currently the world's most popular job in the digital sphere. Anytime someone contacts a business via Instagram with questions regarding their product, they are talking to one of these live chat assistants. Does this opportunity seem appealing to you? Here's what you can expect. A $30 per hour pay, adjustable working hours, extensive training, daily payments, and the possibility to start immediately. That's right. All of this is up for grabs. Click link on description now to start your journey today.